What's up, what a guan? I hope y'all are doing great. So I got a meeting today, so I'm gonna have some journey, so I decided I'll take you guys along. So before we go, let's glow up. So I'm done ready. I placed in some new earrings, got on my little makeshift choker and a necklace. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this Mickey Mouse shirt. I got my Mickey Mouse phone case on, some blue joggers, and some little shoes thingy. I don't know where any of these came from, so don't even ask. So that's my outfits, and I got my knapsack to carry. Now that we're ready, let's say hi to the vlog. It's been a while. Come on, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Hi, Dad. It's the vlog. You gotta say hi properly. Come on.
What's what?
The vlog. Just say hi properly. You don't like it? Hi. 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 All right. So I'm gonna go to meetings. So I'll see you guys later. Say bye, Mom. Hey guys, so I'm back home from that long meeting. It wasn't boring, but it was long, so I'm tired. My head is like killing me. But anyways, we stopped and we got some groceries and stuff, and I got this is gonna be like my first time trying this thing. Rice Krispie treats, and it's the original, and I also bought the chocolate one. Yeah, chocolate one. So I'm gonna try that right now. So how's this gonna taste? I'm so excited. It's weird. This is so good. This is good. Hi, Shanique. Lindsay. Hi, Shan. Bailey. Wow. Bailey, say hi.
Hold on, me say hi.
Ma.
Adios. If you go back to the valley. No,
Hey guys. Let me see the pizza. Good morning, guys. So we are cooking this morning. So we gotta get these things out late. is this doodle. I haven't like seen this in a while. Ooh. Oh, that is so nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing all 6, or should I do 4? Hey guys, so I have finished getting ready and now I am going to church. So I will see you guys there or when I get back. Bye. We're leaving, guys.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, guys. So we're on our way to church. I'm not stepping. I don't like her. She lied to me, guys, yesterday. What? She told me she's not coming to church and she's at church. She lied to me. She just lied to me.
You are sick, you are sad, and there are stumbling blocks in your way, but Jesus will come along at the opportune time, and when he passes by, he will hear your shout, and he will stop, for he cares about you. So the Bible said that even though his followers were saying, shut up, and Jesus stopped. He cares about you even though people don't know you right name, they only know you as whose child you are.
Hey guys, and welcome to the end of the vlog. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I had a great day since yesterday and today, and I'm gonna try to do more vlogs like these since I don't have much exciting things to do during school time. If you would like a post notification shout out, please click the notification bell and comment down below when you're done and say notification squad. And I'll also be doing something called a motivational quote of the day. So you could put comment down below something motivational on my video, and in the next video I will place your motivation quote right here. So this is something I would like to start in all my vlogs, so if you would like that, please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching again, and until next time, peace.